Well, today we're going to be working on putting siding on this part of the house next. But before we do that, we need to come over here. And this garage is leaning, or should I say leaning that way. And so we're going to have to look along here and possibly detach it, take the tractor and push it back up to where level is, put in 2x4 or something to strengthen it up. It has two slider doors. We're going to get rid of one of the sliding doors because you don't park cars in this garage, and we'll make that just a working shop. So we'll build a wall where the other sliding door is. So let's get at her. So Roy, did you watch that video to see how that's done?
Sure.
That's one thing I forgot to bring over, so I'm going to have to take off and go get my cup. But anyway, I'm headed home to go get coffee, and I'm going to get pruning shears and attack your rose. No? What are we going to do today?
We're going to go to Costco today.
Oh dear, I forgot about that. Well, I don't have a problem with that, but just the same, I guess Roy's going to probably put in 2 vents before we leave. I don't know. What are you doing, Roy?
I only have 1 vent left, so I need to get more vents while we're in town.
Oh dear. Well, that sounds good to me. So we're going to have an easy day today, take tomorrow off, and start back up Wednesday. Not knowing when this is coming out, but Wednesday's right around the corner one way or another from this video. Well, today, it's a new day. Who knows where we left off at. You'll see in the video. There's your dog. He's got to bark while we're here. We got to take out this rose bush. And we're going to probably dig it up too. It's a climber. Calm down, your dog. It's an old rose now. Anyway, we're going to dig this thing up, and in my opinion, I think we're going to plant it on the fence over here because it needs to be put on a fence, not anywhere near a house because it causes bugs. Your dog, please. I'm making a video for YouTube. He wants scratched. Anyway, we're going to whack this whole thing out all the way down and try to get it replanted possibly. What the idea is, besides we're going to be siding this over here, is this poor garage needs some heavy duty help, and we need to tilt this garage back up towards the house because it did start falling at one time. And so there's a chance that we might need to trim some things out of the way to get the garage to go over, because since this thing's started to fall over, the roof has been put on, so there's a lot of different things that we might have to do to fix this. So for now, we're going to go ahead and take out the rose bush. Now down here, we're going to continue this foundation all the way up to about the halfway mark. And so this way it's just going to be we'll call it a garden shed type shop, whatever. Never going to have a car in here again. So we'll have 2 block high. We can continue this wall all the way over and then have all this sided to make it look nice and hopefully keep any water from going in. Not that it happens now, but just in case. And of course, like I say, we got special things we got to do. And I wanted to show you here, just a minute. You see this old siding? That there is what I call roofing, but they used to use that for siding. And you can see how the woodpeckers have attacked it and all the rocks falling off. That's how old this stuff is. Well, that's what the whole house used to look like. And the gal that owned this place had some guy come here and didn't do a good job, but he put the T111 around this house and never did paint it. And so once my brother got the place, he painted it, but it was already starting to go. So anyway, I'm just trying to show you the age of this place. And it was built before, what, World War I, Roy? I don't remember.
Yeah, it was built early 30s.
Early
Late
30s.
20s, early 30s. That was it. The original house.
Okay.
The rest of it, God only knows.
1920 on, this house was built, added on a million times. But just the same, back in the war, they didn't allow overhangs on houses because that was a waste of wood and there's a shortage of certain things. So that's how you can tell. You look over here, the end of the garage where, don't look at the metal roofing part, but you can see where it ended. It doesn't have an overhang coming towards, we'll say, the camera, because, like I say, you weren't allowed to put that on back in the day. So anyway, we're in the process of taking one of these doors off. Another one we're just going to lean in, but we're going to make this garage door shorter. See, this garage door is going to probably end up ending here, just that part, and we're going to knock that off. So we might use this door, we might re-side it or just build a new one. We don't know yet. It's actually not in bad shape, but it should have a new face on it, I think. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and put the block down now so it has time to dry so we can build on top of it. And we're going to put cement bolts in to hold the wall, but we don't have to tighten them until the cement fully cures. So, but we can get to them from the inside, so that's not a big problem either. So anyway, let's get at her.